today with your electric cars, you're never going to hear it. There are lots of reasons why we're jacking this show in, but for me, one of the main ones is I'm simply not interested in electric cars. They are just white goods. They're washing machines. They're microwave ovens. You can't review those. You can't enjoy them. They are just shit.